Tim McIntyre from the Daily Telegraph has all the property news for New South Wales. Seller numbers have been slow off the mark, with CoreLogic head of research Cameron Kusher claiming clearance rates have been boosted by a dearth of new stock for sale, which has created some urgency across those well-located and well-priced homes which are available. The end of winter has brought a supply boost, however, with REA figures showing increased listing activity in a number of suburbs around Sydney. The Inner West region has led the way with more than 1,100 new listings. The most active suburbs in the Inner West have been Breakfast Point, Petersham, Ashbury, Stanmore and Homebush. The North Shore has seen more than 800 homes hit the market, with Castlecrag, Newtall Bay, South Turramurra and Milsons Point leading the way. On the northern beaches, D-Way and Bayview had more of the 450-plus listings than any other suburbs, while Bondi Beach and Turramurra were ahead of the pack for the more than 400 new entries to the eastern suburbs market. In the south, Banksmeadow and Maroubra accounted for a high percentage of more than 250 new listings. REA Group chief economist Nerida Conisbee was not surprised by the suburbs on the list. The suburbs that are seeing the most listings show areas with a lot of new development. Quote, Ms. Conisbee said, places like D-Way have seen a lot of new stock, particularly compared to other suburbs in the northern beaches. Breakfast Point has also seen a lot of development and hence stock coming onto the market. Another driver is seasonality. Places like Bondi Beach and D-Way are incredibly popular in summer and there would be many vendors looking to capitalize on people wanting to live close to the beach. Rocky Bartolotto of Auction Services believes the RBA's August interest rate cut will provide a further boost to strong existing buyer demand. Cameron Kusher believes slower rates of value growth this year may have deterred some potential vendors from listing early, despite current growth still outstripping all other capital cities. The market has slowed from its frothy conditions of 12 months ago, Mr. Kusher said. In July 2015, Sydney values had increased by 18.5% over the year, compared to 9.1% over the past 12 months. Mr. Kusher believes that while growth may be slower going forward, there is still room for Sydney values to increase through to the end of 2017. Originally published as Boom Property Market Conditions Back for Sydney Spring News.com. Our privacy policy includes important information about our collection, use and disclosure of your personal information, including to provide you with targeted content and advertising based on your online activities. It explains that if you do not provide us with information we have requested from you, we may not be able to provide you with the goods and services you require. It also explains how you can access or seek correction of your personal information, how you can complain about a breach of the Australian privacy principles and how we will deal with a complaint of that nature.